Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is guitar lesson number 4, and today we're going to be learning the 2-finger riff that goes along with the 12-bar blues that we've been learning. So again, this is part 3 of a 4-part series, and we're just going to have a great time in learning together. Hopefully you've been enjoying this series and been having an enjoyable time in learning how to play the 12-bar blues. So if you haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to my channel, please do so when you get a chance, just so you can be kept notified when new videos have been uploaded. So let's learn the 2-finger riff. So let's get started. Okay, today we're going to learn the 2-finger riff in playing the 12-bar blues. The previous lesson we learned how to play the 1-finger riff, so we're going to play that riff, but we're going to also add additional finger to that, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. But hopefully you've been rehearsing and you're getting better at changing between chords without breaking the rhythm up. So let's look at the 12-bar blue tab. It's similar to the previous lesson. You'll put your index finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret and let the A string ring out. So you'll play the 4th and the 5th strings together to make the A. You'll play it 2 beats, okay? And then notice the 4 in there. So use your ring finger, finger number 3, and stretch up to the 4th fret, okay? So if you look at my strings here, first finger is on the 2nd fret, and then the 4th one you use your ring finger. So it'll be like that. So you'll play 2 beats like that, and then you'll put your ring finger on the 4th fret and play 2 beats, and then lift off 2 beats and place it back on the 4th fret. So play that 1 bar goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll put that little swing to it like we did before: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So if you notice, you got 4 bars. We're playing the same thing, 4 bars and playing the same thing. Okay, so it'll sound something like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I'm playing a little bit fast. Okay, so that's 4 bars of adding that 2-finger riff on there. Okay, then like before, you're going to move your index finger down 1 string to the G string and let the D up above it open up, ring open, so the D chord will ring out. So then you'll play 2 measures of that. Okay, and then you go back to the A, go up 1 finger. Okay, then look at the last tablature. We'll be switching quite a bit. You're going to go on that low E, so you'll put your finger on the 5th string and let the top string, E string, ring out. You just play 1 measure, then switch to skip a string and go down to the D and let the D ring out, and then back to A. So when we get to the last bar, instead of playing like it's written in the tablature, just don't play fret number 4. Just play all the 2nd fret and the 5th and the 6th string open, like we learned in the previous lesson, like this. 3, 4. Okay, so don't play that 2-finger riff. Just play the 1-finger riff on that last bar number 12. Okay, so if you put it all together, it'll sound something like this. Okay, I'll play slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. again, just a reminder to hit that beat number 1, hit the A chord just one last time to close out the song. Now, if you're going to be playing the 12-bar blues several times, you'll just go right back into that, playing the 4 bars of the A there. So, but if you're actually going to end the song, just end with that one note there. So it wasn't too bad. Maybe a little bit faster than the practice track. So let's refer to the practice backing track number 4. Practice backing track number 4, and it's the 2-finger riff. And we're going to start off with a slow rhythm. You will see my hands play and the strum as well. So we'll just play together at learning that. So let's give it a try. How was it? That 2-finger riff adds quite a bit. You've probably heard that many times. So you can play the 12-bar blues using that 1 finger or the 2-finger riff. You can just mix it up. You can play different times on that. So let's try again. We'll keep the same tempo. We'll pivot back to the practice backing track number 4, and this time you'll see me play, but you will not hear me play, okay? We'll keep the same tempo, but you just play it yourself and see how you sound. So let's give it a try. How did you do? I'm sure you did great. It's a fun song to learn, and I'm just excited for you, okay? Okay, let's pivot back to the practice backing track number 4 again. We're going to speed it up just a little bit to a medium speed. You will not see me play in this practice track, so I'll still have the tablature up there just for your reference, but you'll be playing on your own, and it'll be just a little bit faster on that. So let's give it a try. did you do? I'm sure you did great. Playing medium speed makes it a little bit more enjoyable, I think. And but what's even better is playing the last faster one. And again, I think it gets easier as you play faster because your fingers are not stretched in one position for longer periods of time. So you can actually kind of, move around a little bit faster. So it is a stretch for your fingers, and especially if you're a small child, it might be difficult for you. Even if you're an adult, if you're not used to it, it's going to become difficult a little bit. But as you practice this each day, then it will get easier. And also, this stretch will kind of help you be able to play other chords that we're going to be learning in future lessons. It'll just help condition your hands and fingers and muscle memory there. So let's refer to the fast track, and let's see how you do, okay? How was that? That was pretty fast, wasn't it? But so what I really encourage you to do is to over the next several days is practice this 2-finger riff over and over again, and practice using that backing track number 4 until you can play in that faster speed pretty easily. When you get to that, then it'll be much easier when you start playing the 3-finger riff, which is what we're going to be learning next. So the next lesson, we're going to be learning the 3-finger riff. So we start off with the chords, 1-finger riff, 2-finger riff, and then lastly we're going to learn to add an additional finger and making it a 3-finger riff and learn how to play the 12-bar blues. So just practice and you'll do great. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel when you get a chance, just so you can be notified when new video lessons have been uploaded. And I hope you have a great time practicing, and appreciate you joining us in on this channel. So this concludes our lesson for today in learning the 2-finger riff and playing the 12-bar blues. The next lesson, we're going to learn the 3-finger riff in our final 4-part series of the 12-bar blues. And it won't be as hard as you think. It will be a little bit of a stretch, but it'll be easy and have even better sound than what you've learned today. So practice as much as you can until you can get to where you can play that faster speed there, and it'll make learning much easier on that. So if you enjoyed this channel, be sure and hit like. Be sure and subscribe to this channel when you get an opportunity if you haven't done so already, just so you can be kept notified when new video lessons have been uploaded. So practice and just have a great time in learning. I'll see you later.